Did you know your hearing aids can monitor your hearing and physical activities? It all begins in your hearing aid app's health section. Use the health section to monitor your health with hearing reports and activity results, set goals, and stay motivated with helpful insights. To get to the health section, tap the health icon on your app home screen. First, you'll see a daily snapshot of your hearing and physical activity progress. Dive deeper into your hearing by viewing your weekly hearing report. At a glance, you can see your hearing activity and how you're progressing by day or week. Get insights on how much time you spend wearing hearing aids, how often you're interacting through conversations or audio streaming, and what types of environments and noise levels you may be experiencing. These insights may change throughout the day depending on your progression. And when it comes to your physical activities, you can also see your goal progress at a glance. Or you can tap the card to go more in depth. Choose your time frame, see how you're tracking, read an insight on your goal progress, and further information about your activity. And depending on the hearing aids you have, your hearing aids may further categorize the type of exercise you do, including running, indoor biking, and aerobics. Whichever activity you're viewing, physical or hearing, you can change your goal anytime by tapping Change Goal. The location of this will vary by phone.